there, and thank you for tuning in again. I guess you're here because you like balloon modelling, juggling or magic, so make sure that you hit me up with a like, hit that subscribe button, check my channel out, there's plenty there for everyone. And today, as you probably guess, is a balloon modelling tutorial. I'm going to show you how to make a super simple kind of plaited hat. You can choose your colours, make sure that they contrast well with each other. All you need is two 260 balloons of differing colours. I've inflated my balloon 260 and my red 260 with about 1.5 inches, 3 fingers at the end left uninflated. They should roughly be inflated to about the same length. That should be okay. They're not quite exact. So I'm going to start at the end where I've tied my knots. I'm just going to make a lock twist here. So I've just got 2 1-finger bubbles here, and I'm just twisting them together, making a lock twist there. And all you do is you're just going to twist these balloons around. I'm making a nice sort of snug twist, and start from the bottom of the wheel cup like this, and work towards the ceiling. You can just sort of pinch that under your arm as you're doing this. And you're going to probably stop sometime because you want to make it around your head. Now don't do it too tight. I'm just going to stop here, see if it goes round my head. Well, maybe a little bit more, another twist. I'm going to stop there, that should be perfect. So I'm just going to twist these. Make a twist there. I'm going to do a couple of pinch twists, so a pinch twist here and a pinch twist on my blue balloon. So literally a 1-finger bubble, 2 or 3 turns with your pinch twist. The same for my blue, and then I can pop these off without any worry of the rest of the balloon deflating. I'm going to pop off the ends. Now, I can just tie a knot in here as well, or I can just let the air go out. I'm actually going to tie a knot in just for insurance. I can just tie that into my pinch twists that I've just made. And the same, I'm going to do the same with the blue that I've got as excess. Pop it off, let the air out. I'm just going to tie a knot in there again. I'm just going to again twist it around. And now I'm just going to take, this should be a pretty good fit. Yeah, that looks pretty good. And I'm going to take my 2 1-finger bubbles here, and I'm going to tie them into the pinch twist that I've just done. Just like that, just take them and just twist them around 2 or 3 times until they're nice secure. Nobody's going to see this because it's going to sit at the back. Pop it on and you've got your own sort of plaited hat. As I say, you can choose your own colours. I hope you've enjoyed watching this. Thank you for tuning in again. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, and until next time, this is goodbye from Martin's Circus Skills Workshops. Bye bye.